It's Valentine's Day, time for a red velvet cake, but with a twist. So, in my mixing bowl, I have 2 of these boxes of mix. 1 5.9 chocolate jello pudding mix. I added 4 tablespoons of vanilla, 2 per box of cake mix. I have my eggs in there. Only other thing I'm going to add after I mix this a little bit is my melted butter. I'm using the melted butter instead of the oil, and I did put milk in here instead of water. Let's see. Hopefully it won't fly. Just wanted to mix it a little bit, make sure the eggs are mixed together. Now I'm going to add the butter. My oven is preheated to 350. We're going to let this mix for 2 minutes. Lock it. I did mix it at medium speed, which is about 4 on the Ka for 2 minutes. So our batter is ready. And that twist I told you about, it's about to happen when I pour them in the cake pans that we're going to bake them in. Yes, I'm going to do a layer cake. I very seldom do that. I usually do a bundt cake. But it's Valentine's Day. Well, later this week it is. This is Sunday before Valentine's Day. And I woke up today and I just felt like baking. Here's the twist. My layer cake is going to be heart-shaped. And I have them on this cookie sheet because that's where I'm going to bake them in case there is overflow. So let's do the big one first. Okay, now I tested this and I got this in here. Of course, now I can't get it back in. There we go. I don't think I'm gonna have any left over for cupcakes, which is good. Y'all know I'm a lazy baker. I didn't want to have to do that too. Found some mix that wasn't mixed in yet. I think I need to adjust my Ka again. You'll do the dime test on it. Glad I used 2 boxes of the cake mix because 1 would not have been enough. On the back of the box it says 1 box will make either 2 8-inch layer cakes, those are the round shaped ones, or 2 9-inch, but I'm pretty sure these heart-shaped cake pans are bigger than 8 or 9 inches. Pretty sure. Bought them last year, a little bit past Valentine's Day at one of my local Goodwill stores. Washed them up real good. They didn't even look like they had been used ever before. So let's see, do I want to put more in that one or this one? I don't have much more to put. See, I don't have that much at all left. I think I will put it in the big one because I'd rather the big cake, layer cake, be the thicker one. I just realized I didn't put any creme bouquet in there. I usually do that, but to be honest, I don't taste any difference. I'll show you what I'm talking about in case you don't know. This. Do you guys use this? Do you taste any difference in your cakes when you make it? Because I really don't. So it says it bakes for 24 to 29 minutes for 8 or 9 inch. So I'm going to set my oven for this one. The smaller one will probably get done before the bigger one. I'm gonna set it for, I'm gonna say 25 minutes. I don't think it'll be done then, but I can add more time. But anyway, I'll show you when it's done. Want to see something pretty? Look at this. And I was wrong. This smaller one took longer to bake. I'm a doofus. It's more batter condensed into a smaller space, so it's going to take longer. The smaller one took 45 minutes to bake. This larger one took 40 minutes to bake. And you can see how it's coming away from the sides. And I did do the cake tester, so they came out clean. I'm letting them cool, and I'll be back when it's time to do the next thing. They came out pretty clean. Look at that. And all I did was use Baker's Joy. Here they are over here cooling. Beautiful, beautiful. And they got thicker than I thought they were going to get thick. So that's good. I frosted a double layer cake. Does it look professionally done? No. But I'm proud of myself. I took this jar of the creamy cheese frosting from Duncan Hines. I had 1 stick of salted butter, 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 4 cups of powdered sugar, and 4 tablespoons of vanilla. Here it is. A few little sprinkles of cake. I got it out of the cake pans, and I had it resting on some parchment paper, and I got a little bit of there. I sprayed the pans too doggone well. I didn't get too many crumbs to put on there, but on the Duncan Hines cake mix box, they have sprinkles of the cake on it. I don't think it looks too doggone bad, but again, don't look professional. The problem is, I don't think this is gonna work. Yeah, see. Yeah, see. It's hitting. See the bits? I'm sorry. See the bits? That's not gonna work. It's just gonna have to be uncovered in the fridge, but yeah. Turned out better than I thought it was going to turn out. I'm proud of myself, I'm not gonna lie. I'm tired though, so I'm not gonna cut it right now. I will cut it maybe in a day or two. And I will do a shorts video to tie to this so you'll see what it looks like, because I'm tired. Thanks for coming along, family. If you haven't already, like the video and subscribe to the channel. And let me know what kind of cake you're making for Valentine's Day. You can make one for yourself, you know. You don't have to have anybody special in your life besides yourself. Isn't that enough? Aren't you special? Anyway, till the next video, all the best to you and yours, and happy Valentine's Day. All right, it's the next morning. And my little brother got to the cake. Look at that. He butchered it. So, I'm going to cut it into some pieces, put it in some other cake pans. These are a little bit higher than the other one, than what it's on. So, hopefully that will work. Cake didn't stand a chance. And I'm going to taste it, but I'm pretty sure it's good because little brother didn't leave no crumbs. Let's see. Sis says she wanted these sides. I need to bring her cake pan over. I had 2 of the little German chocolate muffins left. I got this thing from Walmart. It cuts really well. Now, let's get this part. I'm gonna have to cut that off a little bit so it'll close. But see, the only problem now is there's no icing on the sides. But I did save the icing. It's probably too cold to ice it though. Let's see. Yeah, I think it is. I'll have to probably frost it later on the sides. But I'm gonna try one piece and we'll see. Oh no, kinda sorta. I almost threw this away. I'm glad I didn't. Okay. Now, let's see. How am I going to cut the rest of it? I think I'm going to cut it right down and then into we'll do it in fours. So, cut it down the middle. And then cut it this way. Of course, now they don't want to come off the paper. Oh, it came off. Just had to get up under there. Now let me make sure that's going to close before I go too far. Oh yeah. So I could have just done a half. That's what I'll do with the next one. I won't cut it in fours. I'm just going to put half on there. Oh, y'all know I hate messy hands. Can't stand it. I can get it in there. And it can go in the fridge. It just barely fit, but it fit. Here's the other one. Well, you'll be able to see better. And you know what? I'm just going to take the paper and all, transfer it that way. Why do extra work when you don't have to? Fold that over some so I can get the lid on it. But I forgot, before I do, I'll just use that, I need to taste it. So let me get a little piece. Almost forgot. I gotta wash my hands, y'all. I can't stand it. Here's my piece. I can tell it's moist because it's moist meat. Ooh. Just holding it. Classic red velvet cake taste. Messy, but good. You know how good it is? My husky was trying to get a piece. I was at the sink. He was here trying to get a piece of the cake. Got a sweet tooth like his mama. So, I won't have to do the short. I just showed you me tasting it. It's really good. Should make this cake for Valentine's Day. If you can find a heart-shaped cake pan. And maybe you'll get lucky if you go to your local Goodwill like I did. Anyway, if you haven't already, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Again, what are you making for Valentine's Day? You can make it for yourself, somebody you love. Doesn't matter. Just celebrate Valentine's Day, because why not? Until the next video, family, I'll see you, and I wish you all the best. Bye for now.